Hello and welcome to the Weather Hazard Briefing presented by National Weather Service Pocatello for Saturday, June 4th. Here's what you'll see in this presentation. We are still consistent in our forecast with low pressure in the northeastern Pacific that will send weak pressure troughs inland through the Pacific Northwest and into the Gem State. Expect the showers and thunderstorms each afternoon and evening from now through, it looks like at least Tuesday. On Saturday, we are looking for the showers to be limited to the central Idaho mountains, the northern and eastern highlands, and the north end of the Snake River Plain. On Sunday, though, it is still very likely that it will spread to nearly everywhere, and our confidence in getting rain on Sunday is improved quite a bit from yesterday's forecast. And the only exception to that would be the eastern Magic Valley. We also look for afternoon breezy conditions. It should be windy, though, in the Arco Desert on Sunday afternoon. We'll take a look at that as well. And then Tuesday night, late, there'll be a return to clear skies, and it looks like, hopefully, an extended period of clear skies and warm conditions. All right, so this is a satellite image. You can see these spreading clouds all over the Pacific Northwest, Northern California, and most of the western states are getting at least some sort of cloud cover. Here's our weather risk outlook for the next 5 days. So today and Sunday, you can see every zone has at least a slight chance of something. We are looking at slight chances for a lot of the southern and lower elevations here in eastern Idaho, the Snake Plain, Magic Valley, South Hills, and then showers are likely, though, in 3 places. You can see they're all in the northern end of our forecast area, most of them touching Montana. So the eastern highlands, that would be the Island Park and Driggs Victor area, and then the Sawtooth area, and then Lemhi County. So everywhere else, chance showers during the day today, and a slight chance thunderstorms pretty much everywhere except for the Magic Valley and South Hills. On Sunday, though, you can see everywhere has at least a slight chance of thunderstorms, some approaching chance of thunderstorms. That would be the Sawtooth area in Lemhi County, so again, the north end, and then showers likely, though, in a lot more places. The Snake Plain, likely. South Hills, likely. Southeast Highlands, likely. Lost River and Wood River areas are also likely. And we are definitely, that means in excess of 80% confidence for the Sawtooth area, Lemhi County, and once again, the Island Park, Victor, and Driggs area. On Monday, you can see it starts to clear out a little bit. Thunderstorms no longer a possibility in the Magic Valley or South Hills. And slight chances for elsewhere, no one approaching chance. And then the only place where showers are likely is the Eastern Highlands. Everywhere else, it's slight chance or chance. And then on Tuesday, it's really limited to eastern zones, Lemhi County, and zones along the Montana border. Just a slight chance of showers in Lemhi County. The only place where there's a chance of thunderstorms is in the eastern highlands, and then slight chance showers in the southeast highlands and in the north end of the Snake River Plain. And Wednesday, as I said, skies should be sunny, and we are looking for a warming trend. All right, so let's look at detail for today. You can see the showers and thunderstorms expected. Fairly warm, mild conditions, so none of it is snow here during the day today. And here's the shower amounts for the 12-hour period ending at 6 p.m. This afternoon. So not a whole lot going on in, as I said, eastern Magic Valley. Almost nothing going on, and just very light precip, even in the lower end of the Snake River Plain. And it takes until you get to Idaho Falls where you get, as you can see there, 400ths. So not very much falling at all. Here are the winds for this afternoon. It should be gusting into the 30 to 35 mile an hour range for a lot of the Arco Desert, craters of the moon area, all the way down into the, mostly the lava fields. And the high temperatures today, cooler than yesterday. We were getting into the upper 70s, but now it looks like more of the lower 70s for a lot of the Snake River Plain, maybe mid 70s in some of the warmer locations. Stanley drops to a 64 degrees after being near 70. Same with Sun Valley and Haley. Then tonight, you can see a lot of the precipitation is driven by solar heating. As things start to calm down, we're looking at less than 1/10 of an inch anywhere tonight, and most of that will be in the eastern highlands and southeastern. Okay, here's the look at tomorrow, Sunday. You can see the national people are forecasting rain and snow for the central Idaho mountains, and they're along the Montana border. That is all, though, however, above 8,000 feet. So anything below that, we will be looking at showers and thunderstorms. And once again, you can see the entire area just cuts off right around the Bear Lake border area. That corner of Idaho is maybe not quite included, but most everything else is. So here's the rainfall amount for Sunday during the day, 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. You can see fairly light amounts. There's no real heavy areas. In order to get a 1/4 inch, you've got to be pretty high elevations up in the Stanley Basin area. But the winds stronger, 35 to 40 miles an hour over the Arco Desert and into the Craters of the Moon area. High temperatures on Sunday, you can see we're continuing to cool down about 3 to 6 degrees. And then here on Monday, you can see the precipitation really falls off and is pretty limited to the border region areas. Here's the rainfall amounts from now through Monday. So this is for the 3-day period. You can see it barely gets to, it approaches, but doesn't quite get to 1/2 inch in the Island Park and Driggs areas, and above Stanley area in the mountains above Stanley. That's really the only place. Otherwise, most people will see 5/100ths of an inch to 1/1500ths here in the Snake River Plain. And then if you are in the lower elevations in some of the highlands, it's mostly 1/1500ths to 1/4 of an inch. Here on Monday, once again, it's going to be windy. And once again, mostly in the same place. That same portion of the Snake River Plain looks to be windy up there in the Arco Desert and down into the Craters of the Moon and the lava beds. High temperatures on Monday, continuing cooling trend, although it's leveling off and will bottom out actually on Tuesday. That's all I have. If you have any further questions, you can always contact us at this telephone number here, or you can always check out the weather yourself 24 hours a day, 7 days a week at weather.gov/Pocatello. Thanks for watching.